Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Yes, and guys, I have a whole chicken here. It's just a small size one, like I think 3.5 pounds or something like that. And I'm gonna do a whole baked jerk barbecue chicken. How's that? Okay. Instead of cut it this way, we're just gonna cut it down the back. Okay, I'm gonna take out the backbone, so I'm gonna cut it right here, and then you cut it straight down the middle, but not the front part. Cut off the body, full body. They say, guys, if you eat full body, you talk a lot. And when I cut it down, now I'm just gonna cut off this part here. Okay, I'm gonna cut off this part, the bone. You can use it to make soup. Just like in a V. And the extra fat. Let me show you how Jamaican clean out chicken. You see all them little part here, so guys? No. We don't work with that. No. Clean it out. Take it out. Jamaican people no work with this style. Have to clean up the chicken. Okay, guys? Anybody used to cook chicken with this in a head? They don't know if you cook chicken. Okay, guys? Let me tell you. When you're satisfied with cleaning it up, any extra fat and so, just cut it off. That knife you're dull, guys, use it. Butcher. Just cutting off any extra fat. Just wash it with some vinegar or lime or lemon juice. Okay? Alright, guys, me know say I don't want to see how me wash it, okay? So anyhow, after you clean it off, after I take off that excess, clean it up nicely, guys. And I have some lemon. You can use lime. Squeeze it panino, guys. Don't wash it in a hot water, just room temperature. Okay? Rub it up. Clean out them parts, yeah. All the extra fat and then clean it out. Okay? Alright, guys, and basically that's it. Just dry it off. Now we're gonna put some seasoning on this bad boy. I'm gonna go in with some jerk seasoning, about a tablespoon and a little bit. You can put 2 if you want, guys. This is my blended seasoning. I will leave a link. Put about 2 tablespoons. We have some Cool Runnings meat seasoning. I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons, and you want to put some over there too, all right, not only on the front. I'm gonna go in with about a teaspoon of this Maggi, a tablespoon of paprika, about 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, some black pepper, about half or a teaspoon, and then I'm gonna go in with a tablespoon of olive oil. This is gonna keep the moisture in and gonna make my season kind of a little bit moist. Okay, so look at the goodness here, guys. Take some jerk, come over here and rub it up in the belly. Okay. Go down in here, rub some in, rub it up. Go under here and rub it up. Just rub up as much as possible, okay, guys? Tuck down some of it in there. My blended seasoning under the hip, under this part there, guys. Yeah. Make room. Put some in there. Yeah. and rub it up, guys. Just rub it up. I hope you're seeing this, guys, because it's full of seasoning. Look at that. All on this, in this bony part right here, so let's put some seasoning. Well seasoned. Can you see that? Look at that. Well seasoned there, guys. Okay, so dress it up back nicely. All right, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna flip the wing over here like that. Okay, so they don't dry out easily, just like that. I'm gonna let this marinate for about 4 hours, but if you want to do it overnight, is good as well. Put a little bit of olive oil here, just enough to grease the pan a little bit. All right, my peeps, look at the goodness. And we're just gonna set it here and open it. All right, hey. So we are gonna do it, okay, guys? You know when a fat lady sit down on the hip, cook it. All right, guys, this is the goodness. You don't want to leave it, okay? Or you can use it to base it after, but I'm gonna pour it on it. And my oven is ready. I have some potatoes. I cut them up small. I'm just gonna pour it with a little grease and a little seasoning I have over here from my meat. Nothing too fancy. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to it. And that's it, nothing more. All right, and then I'm gonna put it right around it. I'm gonna bake it for the first 45 minutes without cover, without anything. All right, and my oven is at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, my peeps, after 45-50 minutes, this is how my chicken is looking. I haven't touched it yet, okay? So now I took it out and I'm gonna base it so it can keep in the moisture and everything. All right, can you see the goodness? You need a bowl, and I'm gonna mix this one, any barbecue sauce of your choice if you can't come out. I'm gonna put like a tablespoon of that one, and then I have my Diana barbecue sauce. This one has maple syrup. I'm gonna put about 1/4 cup, right, something like so. I'm gonna put like a tablespoon of water. All right, and I'm gonna mix that up. You see the color on this bad boy? Look at that. Camera not do it no justice, guys, but anyhow, look at that goodness. And you want to baste the chicken now, okay? This is how you see me chicken have this nice color and in a dry out and tough, okay, guys? And you know it's seasoned and they already. Oh boy, oh boy. And what I did, I turn over the potatoes, okay? That's it. All right, I'm gonna pop this back in for another 45 minutes, okay? And now I put my oven at 400, okay? Before I had it at 450 to make it get the color. Now I put it at 400, and I'm gonna pop this in, and then I'm gonna come back. All right, my peeps, to serve up with my chicken, I have some yam or sweet potato. I'm gonna just sprinkle a little bit of salt and a little bit of olive oil to cook it, and then I'm gonna crush them, or you can serve them in the skin. I don't know what I'm doing yet, okay? But first, let's put this to boil. I think I might crush them, and then I'm gonna serve it up with some asparagus. We're just gonna wash these nicely, cut off the bottom, and I'm gonna saute them. All right, so this is it with my yams or my sweet potato. I just add like half teaspoon of olive oil and I just crush it out. Okay, then we're gonna put this aside. After another 45 minutes, and this is it. I turn over my potatoes. Now I'm just gonna put this back in for roughly about 20-25 minutes. This chicken should take about 2 hours. You can go up to 2.5 if you want, and it should be done. The chicken ready. She ready. And that's it. That's what I'm gonna serve up. All right. All right. I'm just gonna saute my asparagus. I'm gonna put like a tablespoon of olive oil, and then I'm gonna put like a teaspoon of garlic paste, and maybe another teaspoon of my blended seasoning. Turn your stove down, and I'm gonna put this bad boy in. A little bit of black pepper, a little bit of salt to taste, and you're just gonna toss these over. Turn down your stove really low, and give these about 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and then they're done. Just warm them up, okay? I'm just gonna dish out some. All right. I'm just gonna cut it right here. Oh my God, it's so soft. It just fall apart. All right. Let's see if I can hold it and just set it. Oops. Something like so. I have my mashed potato here, guys, and I'm just gonna scoop it out with the ice cream scoop, and I'm gonna put it here. Just gonna make a big scoop. All right, pieces of the potatoes, and I'm gonna put it here. Don't have to overdo it. Just a little bit right on here. All right, my peeps, and this is what I'm serving up. I also cut piece of the wing and I put it there. All right, and this is my Jamaican style, Jamaican vibes. Yes, my whole jerk barbecue chicken. All right, and look over here, guys. Now the chicken lean up. All right, this is it, guys. You have a good day. Love upon me, and I love upon you. Serve up with some asparagus, my sweet potato or yam, and some Irish potato right there. Really, really healthy. Yummy, yummy, yummy for your tummy. Can you see this juicy chicken?